Hi and welcome back to the channel, I'm Chantel. So today we're going to be looking at textured paints. Textured paints are a great way to add interest to your wall, but they're also a really great way to hide imperfections. So if you have holes or if you have walls that are less than smooth, textured paint is a really good way to go. I'm going to show you 7 different types of paints and techniques that you can use in and around your house that will hopefully give you some inspiration. They're all really easy to do and pretty cost effective. All right, let's get on with it. If you haven't done already, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press that notification bell for new video releases. Okay, so the first paint is a Metallic Effect Paint by Dulux. I absolutely love this paint. It is so creamy and it's such a dream to work with. To apply it, you have to roll it on first a couple of times and then you go over the walls using a wide brush, just using a random pattern. The effect is that you have this beautiful, luxurious, lush, metallic look that is really reflective of the light. And what I really love about it is that it looks like there is pieces of crushed metal in the paint. It's absolutely stunning. Okay, so the second paint is Copper Effect Paint. With this paint, you have to use a primer and then you apply it onto a range of surfaces with a brush. I've also used a patina solution, which reacts with the copper paint and gives it a really green, aged effect and makes a really beautiful, bold statement. This liquid gold paint in bronze by Porters is all about drama, but really I just want to show you that you can also add texture on your walls through stencils. So wallpaper can be a bit pricey at times, but stencils are a really good way of adding a pattern and texture to your walls. So you can use this paint directly on the walls, you don't have to use a stencil. But you can also use it to spruce up decor pieces such as picture frames, planters, or even furniture. Porter's Interno Limewash is a lime-based coating which is designed for interior use and it replicates that soft weathered patina of traditional limewash paint. It creates soft tone variations which add depth and texture to the walls and gives it that Mediterranean look. Smooth Impasto is quite similar to limewash paint, but it has a much softer texture. You apply with a roller and then go over it with a brush, and that gives it a real depth and a really sophisticated natural look. I have a thing for concrete, so I was pretty excited about using this paint. Dulux Concrete paint is a really thick luxe paint, so that's why I poured it out to give it a really good stir. And how you apply it is you tape up the areas that you don't want to paint, line up the walls, and then you roll on in small sections. You then go over it using a trowel at a 60 to 80 degree angle. I love that it has the real authentic appearance of concrete and, you know, with the modern industrial textural effects, it really makes a bold statement on your walls. Hey, did you know that Clarke and Co offer virtual interior design services? We offer a range of virtual services that will help you to feel full of ideas and confident in the next steps to take. Use the link to schedule a complimentary 30-minute discovery call and let's get started. This is probably one of the most exciting paints that I've used, and sorry I don't have any footage, but basically these were just black metal sheets and I applied the paint and then some rusting solution and it turned it into rust. Like, you can use it on walls, and as you can see here I've also used it on timber. Okay, so let me know what you think and let me know if you have used any other textured paints that I haven't covered today. Until next time, catch you soon.